From the Midwest. It's Tuesday afternoon. All right, and let me do one more thing. Did I look at Wyckoff? No, not really. Apricot squid. Hello, hello. Okay, what's up? Capital Surge. Oh my goodness, come on, come on. My computer's loading slowly right now. I don't know. I said in my video that I don't know. So, I don't think it's going to be like Armageddon or anything. So, that's right, alright. I'm doing well, just trying to get set up here. Good afternoon, Fry and Grant. Hello. Begin Crypto's launched his clothing line. It's my turn. Oh my goodness, man. I don't want to do the work to do that. Can't believe Pablo, I had to unfollow him. Yeah, pretty laggy right now. Okay, here we go. My chat is set up. He's not wrong yet, Fry. That's the thing that I would say. He's not wrong yet. He'll be wrong soon enough, but he's not wrong yet. So, come on. Tomorrow's going to be interesting. Yeah, a lot of whales. Tomorrow's going to be a volatile day. That's the thing that I will say, Alan. Any word on the deposition? I haven't heard anything. All right. Okay. Do I day trade? No, I don't. Not a day trader. Hey, Steve T. 4 new coins set to come to Coinbase. Okay, I didn't see any of that. Didn't care for his attitude in the comments. I haven't heard anything, seen anything about that. So, yes. All right, I need to close my door real quick. Okay. Excited for this market? Kinda, you know. Why is tomorrow going to be interesting? Tomorrow's the deadline that Elizabeth Moore gave. Hey, what's up, E. Davidson? So, seems like some expectations are, what am I thinking? Seems like some exchanges are preparing for a little bit of a, for volatility. Let me just say that. So, will I sell all my XRP this cycle? Probably, or a decent amount of it. So, good price for quant. Buy or wait for dip. Good price for quant. I don't know where it's at right now. I would say try to wait until under 70. Hello, Crypto Comigan. Safe Moon thoughts. It's going to be flat for a while. I mean, it'll move with the rest of the market, but it's not going to have any extraordinary movements. Yeah, I forgot about that. That's funny. Quant goes up and down like no other. That's for sure. So Pax, Farm, Poly, and FET. Interesting. Interesting. Hello, ZK Pablo, KSA. Am I doing okay? I'm good, man. I'm good. Can I feature on your channel for LOL long shot? No, sorry. Especially right now. Like if I was going live streaming twice in one day, this is my only live stream today. Buy more XRP? I would think so. What's up, volatility? That's crypto in a nutshell. Yeah. What do you think about Pi? I'm becoming more of a believer that Pi will actually be worth something one day. Wanted Bitcoin to go up or down? I would say short term down, medium and long term up. So, yeah, I think it's going to be a little bearish tomorrow. Not crazy, but thoughts on XRP price? XRP is at 62.7 cents. I think that's a good price. I don't think it'll go below 50 cents. So, comb again. All right. Let's see. Are we going to dip a little bit? Hope the price drops. I'm done hoping for the price to drop. Hoskinson speak highly of Polymath in the past and liking their project. I have not heard that, no. So low 30s, no, I don't think low 30s. I'd say like lowest be 35 flat or something. You think the overall market was bearish today? I mean, it's a little down, but it's holding fine. So 225 shares of pie. Buy you a Lambo. Thank you, Jack Johnson. Thank you so much. Sean, good day today. I'm happy. I've been busy today, but I'm good, so hope you're doing well. Take some profits now? No, Fry, I wouldn't say that. So Tether news is kind of scary to me. Tether's always scary. We're never going to escape Tether. You know, I mean, but they did have their New York case with Letitia James in New York and got through that. So M. Parker, doing well. You think Ethereum may go below 2,000 again? I don't think so. Diversing my crypto is best way to go. Yes. Sean, good deal. All right. Is there a big dip tomorrow? Do you expect it to bounce right back, take a few days or longer? I just think July is going to be kind of flat. Like maybe tomorrow will be a little bearish, but July will be kind of flat. Other than that, I don't know. You know, August I think is going to be a good month. That's all I'm thinking. I think we'll have a green close for July, which would put us just as long as we're above 34,800 or something like that. I'll be happy. And then August I think is going to be good. Why BNB isn't picking up any particular reason? It seems like it's following everything else. I don't know. It's 309 right now. Seeing more people talk about XLM lately. I haven't seen that, but you know they're wanting to buy MoneyGram or something like that. That's what I've heard. So afternoon. Oh, thank you, JPZBs. Yeah, I don't get notified about who uses my referral, but I do get notified about that somebody used my referral. So thank you for doing that. I am live on YouTube, right? By the way, follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. If this chat gets too hot, I will be able to keep up with the comments there. So thank you, M. Matthews. Thank you. Really appreciate that. Sorry, I need to set one more thing up. Aloha. XLM will be huge. Solves different issues to XRP. Yeah, I am bullish on XLM for sure. I love XLM. So, all right. Okay. XLM or XRP? Probably XRP. Well, I don't know. Let me... on different time frames, I have different opinions on things. So right now I would say XLM, but after the SEC suit is over, XRP, and probably long-term XRP. Any news from the SEC yet? Not that I know of. So what are the 4 coins added to Coinbase? Pax, Farm, Poly, and FET. And I'm reading that from another comment. So that's all I'm going to say. So yeah, not taking profits till we get closer to all-time high. Yeah, I'm not taking any profits on anything until Bitcoin passes the all-time high. So I'm with you on that, Grant. XLM bags full already. Okay. Many blessings to you, Michael Rizzo, iPhone 11 Pro. How do you feel about Shiba Inu long-term? I don't think it's going to die, but I'm not a huge fan of it. XLM predictions, $5 or so. I have not looked into Copiosa. I have heard of it. Yes. Best NFT coins, gaming, anything gaming. I really, the more I'm reading, I'm becoming more and more convinced that gaming NFTs are gonna, like, we are in the very, very early stages of gaming NFTs. That's where it makes sense to me. So, you know, Axie Infinity is going crazy. It's not that I would entirely recommend buying Axie Infinity at this moment, but Mana, Decentraland, you better believe that, like, EA Sports and all these things, they're going to get into NFTs big time. What percentage of your portfolio should be Binance? I'd say like 10% or something. ENJ, Engine is good. Yeah, Axie's taking off right now. Are you another guy that read news and talk about news that everyone knows? Oh, there we go. There's a troll. Can't pull the trigger on Mana or Eng. I would do it. Axie and SLP. I'm not as familiar with SLP. What's the name of the game you mentioned yesterday? The game I mentioned yesterday. I don't know, Shane. Want to get into crypto gaming, but I don't know what to do other than Axie, Mana. I'm going to do a lot of this, but know you're tired of this, but thoughts on Pablo's video? Has he made? He made one yesterday. Has he made one today? Because I haven't seen one today. So, I mean, his last one that I saw, I'm like, okay. I mean, he's never going to admit that he's wrong, so he's going to stick with his narrative until there's zero doubt that he's wrong. So, need more mods. I'll get more mods. I have 2 right now, but I will get more eventually. PYR, the new game. Okay, I'm going to type that in here. PYR, just to to remember that. If we get under a good dip, I'll snag some mana if it's under 50 cents. Okay. What is Crypto Blaze? I have no idea what Crypto Blaze is. Okay. Let's see. DeFi will bring the masses with money, and gaming NFTs will bring the masses with a competitive spirit and culture. Totally on point. Technically fundamental. All right, where do I stake? I stake lots of places. My biggest place is PancakeSwap.finance. I have about $40,000 worth of cake there. Make me a mod. I'll block anyone who. No, crypto machinery. I will think about adding mods eventually. I do like talking about Pablo a little bit. So, if you developed a coin, what features would it have, or what nature? I'm not like big into developing stuff. So I don't know. I mean, the only thing I would say is it would be deflationary. But I haven't really thought about that, Crypto Peepo. So, yeah. Crypto Blades, that's the game. Oh, okay, Crypto Blades. All right. I want a game that I can play on my phone. I don't think you can play Axie Infinity on your phone. Correct me if I'm wrong, anybody. What's Pablo's narrative? I don't watch him. He's just been very bearish, and he tends to do this thing where, like, you know, he'll never say he's wrong. He'll always find some random clip that explains that he was right about something. And it's as time progresses, it's more and more clear that he's been wrong about a lot and that he's staying wrong. So, bullish or bear on ADA, only around 1100 at the moment. I'm bullish in general. I'm bullish on pretty much all cryptos. I just think they're all going to go up with Bitcoin. Gut feeling about government recommendation. How far down are we going? I don't think below 35,000. So gaming coin that still have potential to grow a lot. I don't know. Mana maybe. Yeah, they're all on PC. Yeah. Even how long do you think I should wait to buy another 50,000 VeChain? Not very long. I mean, let's see about tomorrow. If tomorrow is a bad day, then load up. And in that regard, I guess it would be a good day. So, there's only smart guys that can make money on crypto. No, dumb people can do this, Malcolm. Like, I'm not the smartest guy in the world, but I know buy and hold, dollar cost average. You don't need to be smart to do that. So, I think Avalanche and Mana are decent buys. Still waiting for a dip. Excellent. Yeah, SEC deadline is tomorrow, Crypto Peepo. So, at least according to Elizabeth Warren. VeChain price prediction end of the year, 35 cents. End of the cycle, $1. Yes. In your words, I have to make a decision tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, pretty much. I mean, the big thing that I would say is don't go all in, all at once. Dollar cost average your way in. Yeah. Double tap the screen if you can. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Things like that. We got news tomorrow for XRP. In your opinion, so someone's being deposed today. I can't remember his name. And I want to know about that, what happens. So there may be news tomorrow, or maybe it'll just keep dragging on. Could go up, could go down. That's a joke. But yeah. If you're started out, what do you recommend? Like $50 or $100 a month into Ethereum, like $50 each or something like that. So I hodl, so tomorrow means nothing but more FUD. Yeah, exactly. Anyone can put $50 to $100 a month into this. Thoughts on VRA? It's a poor man's theta. But it'll do well. Oh no, what did I miss? Not much. Just there's stuff going on with Elizabeth Warren. Well, with the 28th deadline. So just hold on tight. You know, maybe nothing happens and that sends the price higher. Legislators are ignorant AF. Yeah, they are. Yeah, the thing that I'm afraid of is that they're just going to introduce something really stupid. But Gary Gensler, you know, he knows crypto. So, how about earlier adoption of Pi before it's launched? I don't know what you're saying, John Locke, but I mean, I do mine Pi, and I hope it's worth something one day. Do I use a cold wallet? I don't. And I'll probably put like 10% of my portfolio into cold storage at the end of this cycle. So another 1,000 a day in Ethereum, or 500 a day, 500 tomorrow. Most likely it's a non-event. I hope so. 1,000 pounds. What to buy? 500 in Bitcoin and 500 in Ethereum. Should have watched you first. Yeah. Always. So. Call on me, call me. Anyway. How do you feel about Hex? I'm not sure. I own Hex. I'm staking it. People I trust say that it's a scam, but I'm staking until 2025. So if it's worth nothing, I bought $500 of Hex in December. And it's 14x'd or something like that since I bought it. So we'll see. If it's worth nothing, I'm not going to cry. 500 each for best returns. Eventually, long term, yeah. Thank you, Discord reviews. Did I make a mistake with what, Captain Mike? Should I use Trust Wallet? I like Trust Wallet. Goodbye. Maybe not peak, but still, it's the safest one, and it's still going to make you a lot of money. Oh man, thoughts on Link? I love Link. Link's a long-term hold for me. I was reading that next comment when I said, "Oh man, lost a lot of money listening to Pablo." That's why he needs to say that he was wrong when the time comes. He's not wrong yet. But when it's clear that he's wrong, he really needs to admit it so that people stop worshiping the ground that he walks on. What platforms are best to trade from starting out? I like Voyager, Carlos. Use my referral code ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant, 749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. What would be good regulatory policies in your opinion? If there's a way to prevent the creation of these junk coins, but I don't know. So have you heard of Skill Coin from CryptoBlade? No, I haven't heard of it. M. Matthews. Did I make a mistake spending the 1,000 today? Should have waited. Not necessarily. I mean, what if it's a non-trend? I think we will continue in an uptrend. And we're down from yesterday. I wouldn't say that it was a mistake. In a bear market, is it safe to put money in stable coins? Bear markets are usually when you should accumulate. Cardano got down to 2 cents in the bear market. That was a great time to accumulate. So early on in a bear market, I would wait for things to settle down. But yeah, good time to stack. Bear markets make you wealthy. Pablo, oh shoot, sorry, I missed some comments here. Pablo is my weatherman. Predictions are chance. I mean, he's about as accurate as weathermen. So, you're welcome, Captain Mike. Hello, Dean and Bance. He's getting crucified on his latest video. Is he? Like in the comment section? I haven't seen anything about that. What I don't like about Pablo is he isn't invested. I've heard him say that 1% to 2% of his net worth is in crypto, I'm guessing. Is that what you're saying, Michael? If so, it's like, yeah, he's not a Bitcoin guy. There's certain boundaries that I have as somebody who knows Bitcoin that he goes far beyond. And it's like, no, this is what you're saying is not going to happen. No. All right, let's see. What I mean is, it safe to put your profits into stablecoin and buy back in low? Yeah, Hades, I would say so, and get those like 9% returns on stablecoins for sure. I'm waiting for VeChain price of 7 cents on the other dip in order to buy fixed 50,000 coins. I mean, where were you when it got under 6 cents? You know, what's the biggest bargain in the last bear market? I mean, really, it was Doge, but who could have known what happened with Doge? Probably Cardano. Yeah, crypto. Tomorrow's a big day for SEC XRP case. Maybe. Yeah, he's dying for Bitcoin to hit low 20s. He wants to be right. I'm sure he does. Can you repeat code? Yeah, ALE749. Thank you, MG Hug. That's fine. You know, you don't have to always agree with me. I will be wrong plenty of times, and I'll tell you when I'm wrong. Thoughts on Bitcoin updates and development being slow versus ETH and others. Crypto people, Bitcoin's a store of value. That's all I care about. It's a store. It's digital gold. So I don't care about it being slow and other things like that. It's digital gold. All right. On YouTube here, Crypto D, what's your view / take on PancakeSwap? I love PancakeSwap. I have a lot of money on PancakeSwap, and I'm very intrigued to see where they go long term. I'm going to make a lot of money off of PancakeSwap. Let's see. Do you think there will be another 90% crash in altcoins after top of bull run? For some will, yes. Not for Cardano. Not for Ethereum. Not for a lot of coins that have staking features like Cardano and Ethereum. Those will not have a 90% crash, but other ones will. A Dogecoin will have a 90% crash. Is Tether safe to use? Don't use Tether. I would use USD coin. I feel bad I missed on low quant price. Yeah, me too. Cardano, I have another 500 to spend tomorrow. That's not a bad idea. You know, I'd want to get some Solana or Quant. Could have bought Matic for 64, but listen to Pablo. It's taking off. Something's taking off. I don't know what. I mean, I'm looking at the price of Bitcoin. It's nice to see over $38,000. I have a friend that trades only on leverage and short. That's the bad direction. Lost 10K twice. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man. How to apply for an ICO? I don't know. I have no idea. I listen to many, but you're my main voice. Thank you. 5-year prediction on Ethereum, 5 figures easy. Just don't know where, like closer to 100,000 or closer to 20,000. Will Quant have a 90% loss? I don't know, because listen, look at what Quant has done over the last few months. It's like what am I thinking? You know, it's not paying attention at all to the rest of the market. So, all right, that guy has all his investment in Doge and is going to feel like a serious pain. I almost feel bad. Who does? Somebody does? I don't know. Hedge funds are holding Dogecoin. Are they really? I've heard some people say that in August it will be a big fall to rise against in September. I haven't heard anything about that. In fact, I would say the opposite, not a big fall. Oh, you know what? No, there's lots of people. Yeah, so Pablo is saying that. I think Crypto Weatherman would say that. I strongly disagree with them. I think August is going to be a good month, and September will be kind of flat. Solana and DOT end of run price around $200. Been in at Quant in 65. It's so weird. Yeah, it really is. So for the stronger altcoins, what do you think could be the percentage drop roughly? All right, it's really unpredictable, Will, because here's the thing that really is going to be fascinating to see is what's coming up with Ethereum. Ethereum is going through, when they launch EIP 3675 and move from proof of work to proof of stake, their supply, the new Ethereum created every day, drops to 1/10 of what it is right now. And so it's like 3 halvings for Bitcoin. But you know what happens with Bitcoin after a halving is, like, it doesn't at first it doesn't really do much, but then a few months and within a year and a half, the price skyrockets. And so what's going to happen with Ethereum when this happens, which I think is going to come in 2022, which, you know, I'm saying everything's going to peak in 2022, you know, and early 2022. So right at the peak, or maybe a little after the peak, Ethereum is going to have this triple halving event, which should send that price skyrocketing, and I mean skyrocketing. And so how is that going to affect alts? That's the thing that I'm not sure about. And I think that ETH will be a leader for alts. So will we have this massive alt season right in the middle of what should be the bear market? I don't know. Do you hold Aave? Yes. ETH goes up, then so will all ETH coins. Yeah, all ETH coins. Yup. After the 28th Elizabeth Warren things, blue skies, phase 3 large cap alt season. I don't think so. Here's the thing that I would say about I think Bitcoin needs to go above its 200-day moving average before a large cap alt season. Hussein, skyrocket price prediction. I don't have one. I'm not going to do it. Sorry. So no indication that we are entering the bear market soon. Does that typically occur during Bitcoin's halving? It occurs, Elias, sometime, about a year and a half. We have a run up. I would say this time around it'll be like more like a year and 3/4 or 2 years. And so early 2022, and then after that, there would be a bear market, but we'll see what happens with Ethereum. Someone should start a channel just so we can talk crap about Pablo. Hey, you know what? Discord reviews. I will be hitting him hard if it turns out that he's wrong, because so many people follow him. They worship the ground he walks on, and they need to realize that at some point it's like he's a snake oil salesman, because he's never going to admit that he's wrong. I don't want to sell a single ETH until it hits at least 10K. Yeah, me neither. At least 10K. Should I get rid of my small amount of Chainlink and use it more to buy Ethereum? No. Do you think we will go past 100K this bull run? Bitcoin will. Yeah, I think so. United States of Bitcoin. When to take profits? When things go parabolic, take some profits. Anytime you see euphoria, if you see 1,000 people in this live stream chat, take profits, because that means that it's on the map again. So let's see. He has more influence than the people know he does. He absolutely does. Yeah. Goal is to have 10 shares of ETH by the end of the year. Excellent. Yeah. Bears are too afraid to short, but will short when we're at the bottom. Retail bears will, not the smart money. Like that short squeeze that happened on Sunday was all retail, almost all retail. It was the dumb money doing it, not the smart money. So when to take profits with small altcoins? Often, but it was the same thing when they go parabolic. When something goes when there's euphoria, I would say the same thing. When there's euphoria, do you think ETH will flip Bitcoin? Yes, I do, M. Matthews. But here's the thing that I will say: I might be in the minority on this. If ETH flips Bitcoin in market cap, I do not think that. I think Bitcoin's going to continue doing what it does. And so I think Bitcoin, even if ETH flips Bitcoin, that Bitcoin will be worth $500,000 one day, $1 million one day, higher than that. So I'm not worried about a flippening. It's algorithmically designed to do well. So BitBoy says the peak will be in 2 months and then we'll crash. He's wrong. Matilda, I am more bullish on Ethereum right now than I am on Bitcoin, and that's because of understanding what's going on with EIP 3675. ETH versus Solana. ETH, and that's hard for me to say. Listen, I think Solana is going to be pretty close to ETH, where ETH is right now. I think Solana is a great investment. Definitely not a fan of BitBoy either. Like I like him. I like him. If he's actually saying that, that's hard for me to believe that he's actually saying 2 months. Like maybe earlier this year he said in August or September. But whatever, End of run price for Matic and Theta. I've been saying $100 for Theta. I might have to revise that. Maybe $50. Matic $8. 500K Bitcoin, how long after the next halving? Can't wait to see EIP 1559. Yeah, it's going to burn. BitBoy only cares about building his YouTube. Probably. He makes a lot of money from that. What about DOT? Polkadot, I believe, will at least surpass its all-time high. So that's a 4x from here. You want a 4x, buy some Polkadot. What is the cost of Solana? Let me see here. ETH 5 digits in 5 years. And what about Cardano in 5 digits in 1 year for ETH? Solana's at 27 right now. Cardano in 5 years. I hate doing 5-year predictions. How about $20? I don't know. I really only like doing 5-year predictions on Bitcoin. It's really hard to figure out, to think about, you know. These coins will decouple eventually from Bitcoin. So I think it's good if I add ETH, Solana, Ocean, and Polkadot. Yes, I think that's great. Anchor, I believe, will exist long term, so Anchor will go up. I don't have a price prediction. 5 years on coins other than Bitcoins is hard. It is, yeah. Prediction for VET in 5 years. It's hard. It's hard, man. How about $5? And you've got to take these 5-year predictions with a massive grain of salt. It's like, you know, anything can happen in 5 years. Like somebody on the live stream the other day came and said, you predicted Ethereum to be $5,000 in August. And I was like, I hate doing predictions like that. I hate it. And so you're holding me to things that I just don't want to do. Fry, I hit the gym. Yeah, I'm a little sore today. So yeah. Let's see. What do you think it'll take to decouple when crypto is used by the masses? I don't know. You know, I could see it being one of those things where there's always an influence by the larger coins, and so let me think. When crypto is used by the masses, I don't know. So in bear markets, look at charts. There are some coins that have not passed their 2017 highs. In a way, they've already kind of decoupled from Bitcoin, but they're still moving with Bitcoin higher. So when do you take profits? Just often. Yeah, thanks, Fry. Next 2 to 3 years, price prediction for XRP and ADA. Man, XRP, I think will peak out $8 to $10, and ADA will peak out $8. That 500 I have, spend Solana or Cardano. I would say Solana. ATH coin, not go watch my, yeah. You said ETH will skyrocket early next year. Does skyrocket mean 10K plus maybe? I mean, I've been predicting a $15,000 ETH this cycle. So what do you do when something's not on Voyager but you like it? You not invest or use something like, you know, I'm on 9 different platforms, so sometimes I will download a platform to buy a crypto that I want some exposure to. Do you see XRP getting to $15 if all goes well? Eventually. Or, I mean, it's within the realm of possibility. That's what I'll say. All right, what's a low volume token? Low volume? I'm not sure what you mean by that. If I could afford Solana, I'd buy as much as possible. Why can you not afford Solana? It's $27. And you could buy fractions of things anyway. When do you think will be a good time to buy more Ethereum? Today, yesterday, tomorrow, like every day, just or every week or every month, buy a little bit. Bitcoin dip or up? I'm saying minor dip tomorrow, maybe, and then higher. I think August is going to be a good month. Do all alts always lose 95% of the value in the bear market? Last time they did, Tuska. I'm saying this time it's not going to happen because of staking. But for some alts, they will lose 95% of their value in the bear market. So Bitcoin to the moon. Yes, sir. Should I bail on Doge? No. You'd be bailing pretty close to the bottom. So I bought in I buy bottoms Bitcoin. Okay. I really like to buy 100 coins token at a time. I put a lot into ADA and ETH already. You bought 100 ETH or $100 worth? Yeah. See a coin. I still don't know enough. You bought 10 ETH. Okay. I don't know. I don't. I still don't know what you mean. H bar is a long-term hold for me. Wang Wang. I like H bar. Is it a good idea to use Robinhood to buy Ethereum? I would not do that. You can't transfer or exchange. You're going to want to transfer or exchange. Be able to do that. You're going to want to stake. You can't stake on Robinhood. Is it a good idea to buy BNB now? I would buy something else just because all the regulation stuff. They built a platform buying. What am I thinking? I'm blanking right now. Oh, they built their system with a mentality that we're going to ask for forgiveness and not ask for permission. So now they're facing the consequences of that. I think long-term BNB will be fine. Yeah, low market cap. Okay, that's what I thought he meant. What instead of Robinhood? Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. Voyager. When you buy a coin that's cheap, it says that it's a low volume token. So low market cap token. The wording is weird here. So I don't really do low market cap tokens. I mean, I have some meme coins, but I'm more of like a top 50, top 100 guy. Is staking good? Staking's amazing. Yes. What's going on with the XRP hearing today? I haven't heard anything yet. I'll check Twitter after this, though. So get ETH on Voyager instead of Robinhood. Yeah. Yep. Bought 20 quant for 95 each. Ooh. Whew. What is staking? It's essentially holding a cryptocurrency on a platform and getting rewards for that. Like if you stake ETH, you hold it there, you hold it somewhere, and then you get like 5% annual returns in ETH. So which ecosystem is the closest smart contract competitor to ETH? I think most people would say Cardano, but they haven't actually done anything like that. Others would probably say Solana, something like that. So will quant be worth so much that price won't matter? It'll be worth a lot. So you can stake ETH on Voyager. I don't know. I know like I get returns for Bitcoin and for Polkadot on Voyager, and there's some other ones. So any thoughts on the recent BlockFi issues in New Jersey and others? I think there's a small chance this cascade into interest-bearing exchanges depending on their fundamentals. Robert, I know about the New Jersey thing. It kind of bounced off me. I need to do more research on that. What would you say is a good practice around bear markets? Do you normally sell 25, 50% or hold throughout? I don't hold throughout the bear market. I will be holding my Bitcoin and Ethereum throughout the bear market. See you later, Fry. Have fun working at Chipotle. But I'm hoping to be half in stable coins, about 50% in stable coins throughout the bear market. So with $2,000, which would you choose? That would give me the best return of investment in 5 years. Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana and Chainlink. How about that? All right. Give me top 3 excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. Binance, Chainlink, and Solana, HBAR, or Quant. When do we? Oh yeah, Quant 2. When do we think we'll see a major move in Solana? After Bitcoin crosses its 200-day moving average. Supercharging Crow to earn Bitcoin rewards. Nice. ADA or Yorio or Daedalus. I have ETH on Coinbase. Not sure what the best place. On Yorio or Daedalus. I don't use either of those. AXS so stable. There we go. Yeah, right. Is VeChain a good buy? I think so, Matilda. Yeah. At the weekend may have an XD dip. I don't think so. I have not played Axie or Crypto Blades yet. I'm willing to try it out. I'm gonna give it a try. I just don't want to, I don't want to play an hour of a video game for like $1 worth of crypto. And maybe I should think, but it's going to be no. Actually, no. Yeah, I don't want to do that. What's up, Nicholas Baxter? Good to see you, buddy man. Which stablecoin will you be going with? Wondering which is the safest to go with at the moment. Probably USD coin. Or, you know, I'm willing to anything other than Tether, like maybe BUSD on PancakeSwap. For staking, ETH is locked on Coinbase. Excellent. That's great. Bitcoin to cross 200-day average is how much? 44,000 right now. But it's been leveling off and it will start going down. So thank you, Living the Best Live. Thank you so much. Just after joining, surprised Bitcoin holding 38K today. It's nice. I'm happy to see that. Yeah, we'll see about tomorrow. I hope it does well tomorrow. It's a lot more than $1 for those crypto games. Oh, is it? Okay, yeah, see, I mean, that's the thing I was saying. It's like, if it was $1, then I'm not going to do it. If it's more, then great. Prediction for Bitcoin in the next couple months. August, I think, will close in the mid to high 40s. September, probably low 40s. And then October, November, December, we'll get up to that all-time high and pass it. So, still have Bitcoin from 2013. Sad I didn't hold more. Yeah. I mean, who knew? No one knew in 2013 that it was going to become what it was now. I mean, I know the Winklevoss twins say that they knew, but no, they didn't know. So, 1,000 pounds best to buy for short-term Ethereum and Uniswap. How about that? My day's good. I had a busy morning, which is why I didn't go live or anything like that. So, you know, I was thinking about this earlier, like 15 years ago or so. I had this nickname, and then this famous guy stole it from me. And I'm like, you know, I haven't really forgotten about that. It's just, you know, sometimes it randomly comes to my mind. And every time I see that guy who calls himself Mr. Steal Yo Girl, I get really angry. Because that used to be my nickname. Are you still buying Bitcoin and ETH in the next month or two? I'm pretty much fully exposed, but if I'm going to buy anything, it's going to be Ethereum. We have to start learning conversations for your lives. I don't know what you mean, but I had a feeling, but everyone was so pessimistic. I sold early at the first 1,200 mark. Yeah. At $36 though, it was gains. Hey, yeah, for sure. Yep. Yeah, Trey Songz. I didn't know who he was at the time, and I forgot about that. But yeah, he stole that from me. So. Poloniex has blocked about 80 Ethereum Classic 30 that I went to mining. The rest of the transfer from Binance. Poloniex. Is that? I'm having a hard time understanding that comment. But sorry about that. All the people that talk about their currency. I don't understand what you're saying, Nicholas. Yeah, Poloniex app. I get it. So they blocked something. Doge will rocket eventually. It'll go higher, but I have low expectations over the next few months. Hussein, if I had $100, only $100, I'd invest it in ETH. I'm about done. Yeah. Thank you for your time. I know it's been only a short amount of time today. I'm sorry, I'm pretty wiped out. Had a busy day. So I'm going to chill and maybe read some stuff. I'm going to try to figure out going to try to figure out what is going on with this XRP SEC stuff. And so follow me on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter, WW Oh, all right. When people ask about pounds in other countries' money, when you say you don't know the conversions, I have a general feel. Ross, I was wondering if I said that, Ross. Did I say that? I remembered that yesterday because I forgot about it, and I remembered it yesterday. Was it $40,000 or $50,000? That was the thing I was wondering because I said something about $50,000 too. So in case you're wondering, those of you on TikTok, Ross said, yo, did you not say you would shave your beard if Bitcoin hit $40,000 before the end of the month? I don't remember, unfortunately. So, all right, I'm signing off of TikTok. So what did I say, man? I just don't know. It was 40K. Oh, man. You know, if that person reminds me of that. So, you know what? I'm not going to do it unless it closes over 40,000. That's what I'll do. If it closes over 40,000, I'll shave my beard. All right, I am also signing off on YouTube. So